Feeling drained before your day even begins? Like a wilting flower starved of sunlight, do you find yourself yearning for a source of energy that is both natural and invigorating? In the depths of the botanical world, hidden amongst lush forests and towering mountain ranges, lie remarkable herbs with the power to revitalize your body and sharpen your mind. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover 5 herbal wonders that will transform your daily routine. Our first stop takes us to the foothills of the Himalayas, where we encounter Ashwagandha, a revered herb in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. For centuries, this powerful adaptogen has been used to combat the effects of stress, a silent drain on our energy reserves. Ashwagandha achieves this by working in harmony with your body, gently guiding cortisol levels back into balance. Imagine yourself at the end of a long day, the weight of the world slowly lifting from your shoulders as ashwagandha works its magic. Sleep becomes deeper, more restful, and you awaken with a renewed sense of vitality, ready to face the day ahead. Our journey now takes us to the dizzying heights of mountainous regions, where oxygen is thin and only the hardiest of plants can survive. Here we find Rhodiola Rosea, a remarkable herb that thrives in these challenging conditions. Just as it flourishes in this extreme environment, Rhodiola Rosea enhances our ability to adapt to stress and improves our mental clarity. Picture yourself on a challenging hike, the air thin but your breath steady, your mind focused on the breathtaking views. Rhodiola Rosea acts as a steady companion, supporting your body and mind as you push your limits and reach new heights. A Maca Root unearthing ancient energy. We descend from the mountains and venture to the Andes of Peru, where we unearth a true powerhouse of energy, Maca Root. For centuries, the indigenous people of Peru have relied on Maca Root for its stamina-boosting and hormone-balancing properties. This remarkable root, with its earthy aroma and slightly sweet flavor, can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Visualize yourself blending a smoothie, the vibrant colors of fresh fruits and vegetables swirling together with a spoonful of Maca Root powder. As you take that first sip, you feel a surge of vitality coursing through your veins, invigorating your body and preparing you for the day's challenges. Eleuthero, the Siberian secret to resilience. Our quest for natural energy boosters takes us to the Siberian taiga, a vast and unforgiving landscape. Here, amidst the towering pines and icy winds, grows Eleuthero, also known as Siberian Ginseng. For centuries, the people of Siberia have relied on Eleuthero to enhance their endurance, boost their immunity, and fortify their resilience against stress. Whether you're facing a demanding workday or pushing your limits at the gym, Eleuthero acts as a steadfast ally, helping you stay focused, energized, and resilient in the face of any challenge. Peppermint. Awaken your senses. Our final stop takes us to a place of familiar comfort and invigorating aromas, the humble peppermint patch. This refreshing herb, with its instantly recognizable scent, does more than just freshen your breath. Peppermint is a natural enhancer of alertness and mental clarity, making it the perfect pick-me-up during a midday slump. Imagine yourself preparing a cup of peppermint tea, the steam carrying its invigorating aroma upwards. As you take that first sip, you feel a wave of refreshment wash over you, awakening your senses and sharpening your focus. Embrace the power of nature. Ashwagandha, Rhodiola Rosea, Maca Root, Eleuthero, and Peppermint. So there you have it, 5 incredible herbs to naturally boost your energy and focus. From the ancient traditions of Ayurveda to the unforgiving landscapes of Siberia, these botanical wonders offer a gentle yet powerful way to revitalize your body and mind. Embrace the power of nature and experience the transformative effects of these herbal allies. If you have used any of these wonderful herbs, please leave a comment with your experience. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Let us know if you would like to see more videos like this, like herbs for focus and concentration.